cooking with not boneless chicken, yo. This is bone in here. And it's frozen. Cooking with HB has started.
HB, explain what's going on right now.
Well, I didn't thaw it enough. But we got frozen chicken. So what I'm trying to do is thaw it out a little bit.
What's going on now?
Okay, so we didn't get boneless chicken. So I'm trying to cut small pieces around the bones. Alright, so we got a bone here. We're just trying to get it out. God damn it, man. Oh, several will see this episode today, huh?
Who won't see this episode?
Everybody. What's up, people? Cutting it off. We're going out pretty well. This chicken leg, getting some good meat off this one.
HB, what part of the chicken is that?
How do you get the skin off? Maybe somehow.
That skin's tough, man.
Is there any chicken left after take out the skin?
HB, what are you gonna do with the neck?
There's nothing I can do with this, bro. There was no meat on this. There was no meat on this. That's not even usable. You have to get the skin off for this one. There's a lot of good meat on this. Is there like a trick to getting skin?
Some would say that's wasted meat, but really,
It's bone, bro. It's just bone.
it's not HB approved meat.
Okay, so I only have one bowl. I had a friend borrow the other one. But I did find this beacon. We're going to cook in here. Alright, okay. Oh, okay, I don't see any, alright, that worked out. Protein.
We're gonna eat it.
Alright, last egg. What happened here?
What is that?
It is my cornstarch when I opened the box. Got everywhere. Flour now. 2 scoops of flour. I know it doesn't look like I'm doing
Nothing's
much.
happening, dude.
It's getting thicker.
HB, what is this?
This is the batter for the chicken.
Oh,
It's gonna make it crispy.
more than enough.
I was afraid we didn't have enough batter, but it looks like everything's gonna be okay. Once you put the meat in there, it all looks like it should. We are now heating the oil to 180 degrees. So we can fry this bitch. Put the chicken in the batter, in the oil. Becoming better for this shit.
HB, what are you looking for right now?
We're looking at the color to see if it's golden. Good?
I think that's golden to me.
We'll put this bitch on low, medium, too high. Oh shit, look at the
HB, what have we learned?
do not leave things in the fire too long.
There's gonna be some amazing ventilation happening right now.
Yeah, every door is open, every window is open. And the fire is still beeping like hell. Oh, that might be too much, that might be too much.
Too much. Too much.
Too much. Go with the chicken. This is golden chicken. Do not fry with plastic silverware. My bad. Alright, the chicken is well cooked, it's golden, and now we're adding the sesame seeds to it. Sesame sauce.
What is that?
Sugar. Is that enough?
That's more than enough.
Alright. The chicken tastes amazing, but it's not as crunchy as it should be. I got scared of the fire.